UGC NET JRF exam, November 2017, solved paper, History Paper 2. Note, this paper contains 50 objective type questions of 2 marks each. All questions are compulsory. Question number 1. Which of the following Harappan sites are located in Balochistan? 1. Dabarkot. 2. Sutkho. 3. Sutkhagendor. 4. Shortgoy. Select the correct answer from the code given below. Code A 1 and 4, B 2 and 4, C 1, 2 and 3, D 2, 3 and 4. And the answer is 1, 2 and 3. Dabargot, Sutkhaho, Sutkhagendor. Question number 2. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List 1. Vedic rivers. List 2. Modern names. A. Kuba, Kabul. B. Parushni, Ravi. C. Sadanira, Gandak. D. Suturdi, Sutlej. Question number 3. The archaeological evidence suggests that the Sakyas had built a stupa over the bodily remains of Gautama Buddha at A. Lumbini. B. Nigliva. C. Piprava. D. Sahat Mahat. And the answer is option C. Piprava. 4. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Ancient city location. A. Pushkalavati Charasadda. B. Sakala Sialakota. C. Tamralipti Tamluk. D. Vijayapuri Dharanikot. And the answer is option D. Vijayapuri Dharanikot. Question number 5. Which one of the following inscription of Ashoka gives an account of Dharma Vijaya? A. 7 pillar edict. B. 2 rock edict. C. 12 rock edict. D. 13 rock edict. And the answer is option D. 13 rock edict. Question number 6. What is the gap between the start of the Saka and Vikrama eras? A. 21 years. B. 78 years. C. 135 years. D. 248 years. And the answer is option C. 135 years. Question number 7. Which of the following were main centers of the Yaudiyas? A. Bayana Sonnet. B. Bayana Rohat. C. Ropthak Sonnet. D. Sonnet Agroha. And the answer is option C. Ropthak Sonnet. 8. Which of the following monuments is the largest and most evolved Chaitya hall of the Hinayana phase? A. Betsa. B. Bhaja. C. Karle. D. Kondane. And the answer is option C. Karle. 9. At which of the following places a Kushan Devakula was found where statues of the royal persons were kept? A. Arkichatra. B. Mat. C. Sangol. D. Shabagharhi. And the answer is option B. Mat. Question number 10. Plow is the characteristic feature of the icons of A. Balarama. B. Krishna. C. Surya. D. Trivikrama. And the answer is option A. Balarama. 11. During the time of Nahappan, what was the exchange rate between Suvarna and Karshapana in Maharashtra? A. 1:10. B. 1:15. C. 1:25. D. 1:35. And the answer is option D. 1:35. 12. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other as reason. Assertion A. Both Samudragupta and Kumaragupta issued Aswamedha type of gold coins. Reason R. They did not mention the performance of Aswamedha in their inscriptions. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? And the answer is option B. Both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. 13. Who among the following was a Saiva teacher in South? A. Buddha Yogi. B. Bharanta Yogi. C. Kulashet. A. Buddha Yogi. B. Bharanta Yogi. C. Kulakshekhara. D. Sundaramurti. And the answer is option D. Sundaramurti. 14. Which of the following Khajuraho temples are of Sandara type? 1. Chitragupta temple. 2. Lakshmana temple. 3. Prashvanath temple. 4. Vaman temple. Select the correct answer from the code given below. Code A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 3 and 4, D 1 and 3. And the answer is option B 2 and 3. Lakshmana temple, Prashvanath temple. 15. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Text subject. A. Aprajita Pricha architecture. B. Astanga Hridaya medicine. C. Leelavati drama. D. Vaijayanti dictionary. And the answer is option C. Leelavati drama. 16. The Chola king who, in order to avoid bitterness, made peace with Vijayabahu of Sri Lanka and gave his daughter in marriage to a Simhalese prince was A. Kulatunga 1, B. Vikrama Chola, C. Rajaraja 2, D. Rajadiraja 2. And the answer is option A. Kulatunga 1. 17. Ramayana themes are found carved in the caves of A. Chittannavasal in Tamil Nadu, B. Badami in Karnataka, C. Ranga Mahal in Assam, D. Undavalli in Andhra Pradesh. And the answer is option D. Undavalli in Andhra Pradesh. 18. In fact, he made Delhi not only the political and administrative center of the Turkish Empire in India, but also the hub of its cultural activity. It is worth nothing that in the literature of the Sultanate period, Delhi is never referred to merely by its name. It is called either Hazrat-e-Delhi, the majestic Delhi, or the city Shar. Who is this Sultan? A. Iltutmish, B. Balban, C. Alauddin Khalji, D. Muhammad Tughlaq. And the answer is option A. Iltutmish. 19. Which of the following is not the compilation of the conversations of the Sufis? A. Fawaidul Fard, B. Khairul Majalis, C. Matlaul Anwar, D. Sarur as Sudur. And the answer is option C. Matlaul Anwar. 20. Which one of the following is not the regulation Zawabit of Sultan Alauddin Khalji's control of grain prices policy? A. Fixation of the price of the grain by the king. B. Storing the royal grain in numerous storehouses. C. Not to sell the grain without the prior permission of Shahna. D. To maintain cheapness of grain during the times of drought. No person should be allowed to buy grain in the least quantity without proving need. And the answer is option C. Not to sell the grain without the prior permission of Shahna. 21. Use of capstan to lift heavy weights is mentioned for the first time in which of the following text? 1. Futu as Salatin of Isami. 2. Tariq-i Firuzahi of Barani. 3. Tariq-i Firuzahi of Afif. 4. Sirat-i Firuzahi. Select the correct answer from the code given below. Code A 1 and 2, B 3 and 4, C 1 2 3, D 2 3 4. And the option is B 3 and 4. Tariq-i Firuzahi of Afif, Sirat-i Firuzahi. 22. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. The list. List 1 term. List 2 meaning. Sir Kyle, a junior military officer. Sean Navis, writer at night. Sifakhana, hospital. Silagdar, an armed man. 23. The Sultan possessed a deeply religious nature. He was strict in the performance of his religious duties, praying 5 times a day and keeping the Ramzan fast, during which period he did not take meat. He held the Sufis, learned men, and Brahmin Pandits in great respect and granted them lands. He consulted the Shaykhul Islam on affairs of state, and his relations with the ulama were in general cordial. Identify the above mentioned ruler of Kashmir. A. Hyder Shah. B. Zainul Abidin. C. Hasan Shah. D. Yusuf Shah. And the answer is option B. Zainul Abidin. 24. Arrange the rulers of Mewar in chronological order. 1. Rana Raimal. 2. Rana Sanga. 3. Rana Uda. And 4. Rana Kumbha. And the answer is Rana Kumbha, Rana Uda, Rana Raimal, Rana Sanga. 25. Which of the following Sufi saints in his Rusdanama has recited the names of Sri Gorakh, Alak Niranjan and Omkar? A. Sheikh Moinuddin Chisti. B. Sheikh Hamiduddin Nahori. C. Sheikh Abdul Quddus Kangohi. D. Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia. And the answer is option C. Sheikh Abdul Quddus Kangohi. 26. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other labeled as reason are. Assertion A. The access to the Greek works in the medieval period was achieved through Arabic translations. Ptolemy and Galen remained the fundamental authorities for astronomy and medicine. Reason R. Thomas Rowe writes that the Mawlis of Muhammad at the Mughal court knew somewhat in philosophy and mathematics, are great astrologers, and can talk of Aristotle, Euclid, Averroes. Answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 27. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. In the medieval period, the Madras continued to be concerned principally with Muslim theology and its vast literature. Reason R. Much of the higher instructions was undertaken outside the madrasas by individual teachers who often gave their personal certificates. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 28. The two emperors from India and Uzbekistan agreed to conquer the road to the holy places Mecca and Medina. Identify the emperors from the following. A. Humayun and Abdullah Khan Uzbek. B. Akbar and Abdullah Khan Uzbek. C. Jahangir and Abdullah Khan Uzbek. D. Shah Jahan and Imam Quli. And the answer is option B. Akbar and Abdullah Khan Uzbek. 29. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other as reason. Assertion A. The Sikh Dharmasala was the place where the Sikhs sit and engage themselves in praising the Lord. Reason R. When Shahjahan and Thug submitted to Guru Arjun, a Dharmasala was established. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 30. It had been ordained that the names of the inmates of the seraglio should not be mentioned in public, but that they should be designated by some epithet derived from the place of the birth or the country or the city. Identify the emperor who introduced the practice of omitting the names of begums in public. A. Akbar. B. Jahangir. Shah Jahan. D. Aurangzeb. And the answer is option A. Akbar. 31. What is not correct about the Ramdasi Panth of Maharashtra? A. The traditional feature of the Ramdasis was their non-political attitude. B. Ramdasi Panth was strictly composed of Brahmanas. C. Ramdasis were more directly connected with the Marathas. D. Ramdasis openly supported Shivaji. And the answer is option A. The traditional feature of the Ramdasis was their non-political attitude. 32. Match various categories of documents and their nature from the list given below. List 1 and list 2. Yadasht, memorandum, talika, abridged document, patta, title deed, qabuliyat, deed on peasants' acceptance of their revenue obligations. 33. The regulation is that favored servants place the back of the right hand on the ground and then raise it gently. As the person stands erect, he puts the palm of his hand upon the crown of his head. In the above statement, Abul Fasal is referring to which of the following techniques of prostration? A. Taslim. B. Paibos. C. Siddha. D. Jamin Bose. And the answer is A. Taslim. 34. Which of the following Mughal painters are said to have painted self-portraits? 1. Manohar. D. Daulat. C. Keshavdas. 4. Basavan. Select the correct answer from the code given below. And the answer is Manohar, Daulat, Keshavdas. 35. Arrange the following events in the chronological order and select the correct quotes given below. 1. The Deccan Association. 2. East India Association. 3. Indian National Congress. 4. India League. And the answer is the Deccan Association, East Indian Association, India League, Indian National Congress. 36. Who established the United Indian Patriotic Association in 1888, which had both Hindu and Muslim members? A. Sir Abdur Rahim. B. Dadabhai Naoroji. C. Sir Syed Ahmad. D. Sir William Wedderburn. And the answer is option C, Sir Syed Ahmad. 37. The Ancient Monuments Preservation Act was passed during the Viceroyalty of A. Lord Hardinge. B. Lord Northbrook. C. Lord Lytton. D. Lord Curzon. And the answer is option D, Lord Curzon. 38. Which among the following acts increased the ratio of female voters and gave them reserved seats in legislature? A. Act of 1909, Act of 1919, Act of 1930 and the Act of 1935. And the answer is option D, Act of 1935. 39. Who among the following was the first Chancellor of the very first Indian Women's University? A. Sir R.G. Bandarkar. B. Sir Sankaran Nair. C. Sir Tej Bahadur Sapru. D. Sir Ashutosh Mukherjee. And the answer is option A, Sir R.G. Bandarkar. 40. Who among the following industrialists of the country were the signatories to the Bombay Manifesto of 1936? 1. Purushottam Thakurdas. 2. A.D. Shroff. 3. Ambalal Sarabhai. 4. Walchand Hirachand. And the answer is Purushottam Thakurdas and Walchand Hirachand. 41. Out of the following, which was a powerful tribal movement launched in Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh during the non-cooperation movement? A. Naikada movement. B. Thanabahat movement. C. Chenchu movement. D. Minor movement. And the answer is option C, Chenchu movement. 42. Who is the author of Bengali book Kuli Kahini? Belongs to the same type as the Uncle Tom's Cabin? A. Pandit Ram Kumar Vidyaratna. B. Dwarkanath Ganguly. C. Shivnath Sastri. D. Babu Kedarnath Ghosh. And answer is option A, Pandit Ram Kumar Vidyaratna. 43. Who among the following played an important role in bringing the Muslim League and the Indian National Congress together in 1916? A. Lokmanya Tilak. B. Annie Besant. C. Theodore Beck. D. Wakarul Mulk. And the answer is option A, Lokmanya Tilak. 44. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct answer from the code given below. List 1, political organization. List 2, year of establishment. Indian Association, 1876. Mahajan Sabha, 1884. The Bombay Association, 1852. Pune Sarvajanik Sabha, 1867. 45. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. India shook off a large part of its political conservatism after increasing entry of women in public affairs. Reason R. If by strength is meant brute strength, then indeed is women less brute than man. If by strength is meant moral power, then women is immeasurably man superior. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 46. What was not true about the statutory civil service introduced in 1880? A. Appointments were generally limited to young men of good family and social position. B. The proportion of the service was not to exceed 1/6 of the total number of covenanted civil servants appointed in any year. C. The appointments to this service were to be by nomination. D. This service provided an element of finality and did justice to the claims of Indians for employment to higher post. And the answer is option D. This service provided an element of finality and did justice to the claims of Indians for employment to higher post. 47. Which one among the following was not an objective of the non-alignment enunciated by Jawaharlal Nehru? A. It was in relation to the Cold War with its military impacts. B. It was against the evil forces of colonialism, racialism and suppression. C. It was to promote world peace and work towards disarmament. D. It was aimed at building a third bloc to take on USA and the USSR. And the answer is option D. It was aimed at building a third bloc to take on USA and the USSR. 48. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct answer from the code given below. List 1 author, list 2 title of the book. F. H. Carr. What is history? Mark Bloch. Historian Craft. W. H. Walsh. An Introduction to the Philosophy of History. Herbert Butterfield. Whig Interpretation of History. 49. Which of the following year a treaty between Warsaw Pact countries and NATO was signed declaring that they were no longer adversaries, signifying the end of Cold War? A. 1988, B. 1989, C. 1990, D. 1991. And the answer is option C. 1990. 50. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List 1 author, list 2 title of the book. G.P. Gooch. History and Historians of the 19th Century. Edward Gibbon. Decline, the Fall of the Roman Empire. Oswald Spengler. The Decline of the West. R.G. Collingwood. The Idea of History.